In this video, I'll show you how to write a review on Airbnb. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'll show you how to write a review on Airbnb. So to get started, go ahead and open Airbnb on your device. Now make sure that you're signed in into your account. As you can see in here, those who can leave a review are hosts and guests that have been able to book or paid for a stay on Airbnb. And to be able to leave a review or submit or publish a review, hosts and guests should have 14 days after checkout to submit their reviews. They can also leave reviews for certain reservations that are cancelled or after the day of check-in. Reviews are posted after both parties have submitted their reviews or once the 14-day period has ended, whichever comes first. If a host cancels a reservation before the day of check-in, neither the host or the guest will be able to leave a review for the stay. So to be able to leave a review after you stay, Airbnb will send an email asking you to leave a review for your most recent host or guest. Within the email, there will be a link to the reviews page so you can share how you stay went with other community members. So if you're a guest, go to the trips tab or your Airbnb inbox. If you're a host, go to the reservation sections of your today tab or your Airbnb inbox. And through that, you'll be able to write a review on Airbnb both as a guest and as a host. And that is how you can simply write a review on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.